Hello and welcome to this Client Hub tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how quickly you can access and manage your client's information in Clasero's Client Hub section. You can open a client's profile from several places, but to make an admin's workflow faster, we've added a search bar right on the admin dashboard. You can search for customers using the child's name, the parent's name, or even a group class code. Once you click on the child's name, you'll be taken straight to the Client Hub. In the personal information section, you can view and edit contact details, add achievements, and see all documents generated for this client. For example, a contract created with our document templates generator. In the Payment Hub, you'll find all invoices for the client along with their current balance. In this example, the customer has an overpayment of €140. The calendar section shows upcoming classes for the next 10 days. You can also see the value of classes attended, for example, €60 worth in July and €30 so far in August. On the right-hand side, you'll find the client's full attendance record. Thank you for watching this Client Hub tutorial.